I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPad and scroll until you see Siri and Apple Intelligence. Look for the Apple Intelligence heading inside that screen. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi before making changes. If you use a passcode or Face ID, unlock now so settings do not prompt during the process. This keeps the workflow smooth. Stay on the screen to follow the next steps to disable Apple Intelligence features. Find the Apple Intelligence toggle on the Siri and Apple Intelligence screen and tap it once. A confirmation prompt appears asking you to turn off Apple Intelligence. Confirm by tapping Turn Off to immediately disable on device suggestions, summaries, and predictive text features. The change takes effect right away for your iPad. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same menu and re-enable Apple Intelligence with the toggle. After turning off Apple Intelligence, tap Manage Data to review and remove personal content used by those features. Select any items you want deleted and confirm deletion when prompted. Next, restart your iPad to ensure all Apple Intelligence background processes stop. Hold the top button and slide to power off, then power on again. Finally, open apps like Mail, Notes, and Spotlight to verify that suggestions and summaries no longer appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.